How to do layout on your story on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to do layout on your story on Instagram. A lot of people been asking for this, so I'm gonna show you how to do your layout. First thing, go to your Instagram. Now click on your story, click on camera, and for example now click on layout. All you need to do is record. You can take a picture, take another one, and another one, and of course of your face, or something beautiful, and you can delete a photo or video by hold on and move. This is it. So this is it guys, it's so easy. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.